Welcome to the last week of class. This is Dr. Parcell, and I'm going to do a few videos on just historically missed concepts on the last test of this semester. All right, so here is one of them. A certain loan program offers an interest rate of 3.5% compounded continuously. Okay, the continuous formula, by the way, is a little bit different than the compound interest formula that we've been looking at in our last few videos. This is continuous interest, and we'll take a look at that. Assuming no payments are ever made, how much would be owed after 2 years on a loan of $2,500? Okay, so how much would be owed would be your A. How much owed? And that's what we're looking for. Now your rate, your R, is going to be 0.035. Remember, in these formulas, you always want to convert your percentages to a decimal. Your time is going to be 2 years. And then E is on your calculator. So if you look on the your ALEKS calculator or your personal calculator, it should be right around where LN is. So look for LN on your calculator. That's natural log, and it goes along with E, which is basically Euler's number. It's a irrational number, very much like pi. Okay, so how you would set this up before you go to your calculator, you would say, all right, we've got, what we're looking for is how much we would owe if we borrowed $2,500, and then we multiply that times the Euler's number, and then we're going to go up to the 0.035, right? That's your rate times 2 years. Okay, so you can do this on the ALEKS calculator. You can do it on a graphing calculator. If you want to, you can kind of do a little bit at a time, like pieces of it. So you could take care of this first. 2,500 times Euler's number raised up to, I'm getting 0.07. And then on your calculator, you're going to type in, for me, I'm going to type in 2,500, and then I'm going to make sure I have the E, right? So I'm going to type in 2,500 E, and then what my calculator does is it puts a little box up here. So in the box, I'm going to put 0.07. Everybody's calculator is going to work a little differently. You'll have to figure out how yours works. Okay, and YouTube can always help with that. Or just the Google like video on the internet. Okay, so 2681 point, now I'm getting 270. So I'm going to stop at 27 cents. So if you didn't make any payments after 2 years, if you borrowed 2,500, you would owe 2681.27. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Hope this gives you a little boost.